First video for this year is about club selection for the short shots around the green. We've got 4 different positions and we've got 4 different clubs, and we're going to hopefully explain why each one is the best for that particular job. The first one is going to be the one closest to the green, and the first question I always ask myself is, can I putt it? And on this occasion the answer is yes. We've only got a couple of feet of fringe to go through, so I'm going to putt it. Whether it's off the green or on the green, if I can get the putter on it, that's what I'm going to do. It's going to be more consistent, keeping the ball close to the ground if we can. So there we are, putted it down to the hole side, and I think if you had 10 goes at that, you'd probably get 9 of them down in 2 shots, which is exactly what you're looking to do. Next one back, arguably a little bit too much fringe to putt through. There's also a bit of grass behind the ball, which makes the putter a little bit more difficult to take. So we're going to use the same swing, the same stroke, but with an 8-iron, and just loft it onto the edge of the green and hopefully run the ball down to the hole again. There we go, same stroke, same method, we've just got a lofted club essentially. Now, problem arises as we get further away. We have some people that might use the 8-iron anywhere, but we're going to get in trouble a little bit the further away we get from the green, because now if I use the 8-iron and land it in the same place in that first couple of yards on the green, the ball is going to have too much pace on it and it's going to roll too far. We can't physically get it on the green without manufacturing a shot, without changing our method to keep the 8-iron on the green. So I think for most people, keeping the same method but changing the clubs is probably the best way to go. Make sure the club face is clean, get a nice contact. So for this shot, a little bit further away, I've got a pitching wedge, 2 clubs down from the 8-iron, and now I think we can land it on the green and keep it somewhere around the hole. Obviously, as we get further and further away, the point we're making is the clubs gets more lofted. So for this furthest one, we've got a 54 degree. But once again, we're playing the same shot, landing it in the same place, and hopefully getting a similar result. So there we have it. Choose your club, but keep the same swing. As you get further away from the green, the club is going to need to be more lofted to create the same result. So if you ask yourself the question, can I land it on the green and will it roll too far, then you need a more lofted club. But the first question you should always ask is, can I putt it?